5 treasure explosion after the line hits on the tiger. Alright, what are we choosing? Let's go with the red dragons. Let's go. 10. Ooh. 5 more spins. Let's go, dragon. All the way. Yes.
180.
180. We'll take it. Boom. And it's only few too. The wild makes it wonderful, amazing. 4 more spins. Yes. Come on, dragon. More dragon. 3 more spin. Make it happen. One more hit. Oh, last spin. All right, one big line hit on the bonus. We'll take that. Coin show. There goes the amazing dragon. Beautiful 5 treasure explosion. Look at all those gems. $244 on a 588 bet. Coin shower. $100 in. Money back and more. You're watching Dumblebee's Loves. Alright. Thank you, Dragon. Let's do some backup spins. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we'll take that win and run. See you guys next time.
And go on
Cheers.
the other side.